Hello everyone, specifically to UGC-NET management and commerce students. In this video lecture, I'm going to focus upon all the previous year questions related to marketing management subject, or you can say it a unit, that were asked in August-September 2024 UGC-NET examination. Right? I will discuss these questions in a very detailed manner and will also provide the PDF so that you can revise them properly thereafter. So watch this video lecture very attentively. We will discuss important topics along with their previous year questions, prepare them very nicely so that you can crack your next UGC-NET exam with high score. Now, all those who are first time viewers of my YouTube channel, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Simran Bhinder and I'm the author of Paper 1 Previous Year Questions book. You can check this book on Amazon. The link of that I have provided in the description box of this video. आप Amazon के ऊपर जाकर इस book के regarding इसके reviews read out कर सकते हैं. You will come to know इस बुक का कंटेंट कैसा है, राइट? आई हैव आल्सो ऑथर्ड पेपर 2 कॉमर्स मैनेजमेंट यूजीसी नेट बुक. This book comprises of all the 10 units of UGC-NET paper 2 syllabus in a very structured manner, in a very detailed manner and structured manner. You will find tables, graphs, charts in a very structured manner in this book. And I have been teaching to UGC-NET aspirants since 2014. Earlier, I was into offline coaching. So we have that experience how to connect with students face to face, how to teach them all the relevant content which is being asked in UGC-NET examination. And now I have been teaching through online coaching to my UGC-NET students, and we have been giving results since 2014. Students who joined our courses, they have got results in their very first attempt. If you have any query, any doubt related to UGC-NET examination for paper 1 or paper 2 commerce, paper 2 management, you can always WhatsApp me at 975 0000491. Now, this is the latest UGC-NET question which is related to the topic of brand management taken from September 2024 examination. Under brand sponsorship, store brands are also known as which other names? So you have to prepare that what are store brands? They are known as private brands or distributor brands. You should know that जो store brands होते हैं, they are developed by retailers or distributors and they are sold under their own brand name. I repeat, जो store brands हैं, they are developed by retailers or distributors and sold under their own brand name, and they are exclusive to a specific retailer. They are store brands and they are also called as private brands. अब private brands जो हैं, इनकी भी यही same definition है. They are owned and sold by the retailer or distributor. For example, Walmart, they have their private label named as Great Value. सो वॉलमार्ट क्या है? रिटेलर है, इस केस में डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर है. द नेम गिवन टू देयर ब्रांड इज टर्म्ड एज स्टोर ब्रांड, प्राइवेट ब्रांड, या इसे हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर ब्रांड भी कह सकते हैं. Till here it is clear. That's why store brands, they're also known as private brands, distributor brands. And another name we can call it as generic brands. Generic means standard, जो common है. So generic जो word है, it is associated with retailer controlled branding and it is sold in store specific locations only. So store brands based upon this, it is known as generic brand, private brand, distributor brand. We will discuss the other terms also, that is national brand and manufacturers brands now. Now you should know that जो national brand है, it is a brand that is widely available across multiple retail stores, right? And it is not specific to a specific retailer क्योंकि वो national brand है. For example, Nike, Coca-Cola, Apple. What are these? These are national brands. They are not store brands. They are not related to that specific location, right? So जो next term है manufacturer brands. These brands are created and owned by the producer or manufacturer. Term से ही itself it is clear, manufacturer brand. These brands are created and owned by the producer or manufacturer, such as Sony or Samsung. Sony and Samsung, they produce their own product Their brand is called as manufacturer brand. It is not called as store brand. These are not store brands, right? So national brands and manufacturer brands are not store brands. Remember this. So answer to this question is B, C, D. That is option number 1. I hope this is clear to you. You have to prepare all these terms because next time you can get a statement type of question based upon these terms, that is generic brands, private brands, manufacturer brands, national brands, or distributor brands. Now the next question is related to the topic of classification of products. We have already covered classification of products in chapter 2 PDF. So you must prepare it from paper to management or paper to commerce course from my app. I have covered each and every topic from UGC-NET syllabus in that chapter 2 PDF. But this is a new topic for you. This is a new topic for you. The topic name is societal classification of products. So what we will do, first of all, we will understand the topic and prepare it nicely, and then we will attempt this question. Now let us understand this topic, that is societal classification of products. This is a graphical presentation of the societal classification of products. Now there are two factors to it. You can see on OY axis it is written long run consumer benefit. That means how much the product benefits the consumer in the long run or long term. Long run you understand more than 1 year. ठीक है, कोई भी product जो है वो consumer को लंबे समय में क्या benefit देता है, that is taken on OY axis, right? And it is indicated as low over here and high like this. The second factor is named as immediate consumer satisfaction. So what is immediate consumer satisfaction? It is understood that how much instant pleasure, quick satisfaction, instant pleasure the product offers to the consumer. Immediate consumer satisfaction. This is taken on OX axis horizontally. So यहाँ पे low and here it is considered to be high. Now based upon these two factors, the products have been classified into 4 types. There are 4 names given to it. So we have to understand these 4 products, and जिसने इन 4 products के types को समझ लिया, you are able to crack that UGC-NET question. So prepare this content very nicely. Okay, we will do one after the other. First, we will discuss about deficient products. You have to remember this graph actually. Deficient products, यहाँ से ग्राफ से इंडिकेट हो रहा है, these are those products that offer neither long-term benefit nor immediate satisfaction. यहाँ पे low and low. Low immediate consumer satisfaction, low long run consumer benefit. ना ही ये long term benefit देते हैं, ना ही ये immediate satisfaction देती हैं. They are often poorly designed or they are low in quality, right? So they do not bring any lasting positive impact on the consumer's life. For example, एक्सपायर्ड फूड आइटम्स. जो एक्सपायर्ड फूड आइटम है, या अगर हम कहें कोई लो क्वालिटी पैकेज्ड स्नैक्स विद लिटिल न्यूट्रिशन वैल्यू, जो एक्सपायर्ड फूड आइटम है, ना ही ये लॉन्ग रन में कंज्यूमर को कोई बेनिफिट दे रहा है, ना ही ये कोई इमीडिएट कंज्यूमर सेटिस्फैक्शन प्रोवाइड कर रहा है. Another example can be unsafe toys with easily breakable parts. वो वाले टॉयज जो अनसेफ हैं एंड उनके जो पार्ट्स हैं वो इजीली ब्रेक हो जाते हैं, ना ही वो उस बच्चे को इमीडिएट कंज्यूमर सेटिस्फैक्शन प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं एंड ना ही वो लॉन्ग रन कंज्यूमर बेनिफिट प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं. सो दीज आर द एग्जांपल्स विद रिस्पेक्ट टू डेफिशिएंट प्रोडक्ट्स. दे आर लो इन बोथ द फैक्टर्स. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट वी विल अंडरस्टैंड इज प्लीजिंग प्रोडक्ट्स. ध्यान से समझना है. It's clear from the graph that these products offer high immediate कंज्यूमर सेटिस्फैक्शन. वैसे नेम से ही क्लियर है, रट्टा लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. प्लीजिंग प्रोडक्ट्स, हाई इमीडिएट सेटिस्फैक्शन बट लो लॉन्ग रन और लॉन्ग टर्म बेनिफिट्स. So that means pleasing, they are enjoyable or satisfying in the short run, but they have adverse effects over long time. For example, sugary soft drinks. जो सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक्स हैं इमीडिएटली कंज्यूमर को वो प्लीज करते हैं, सेटिस्फाई करते हैं. वी इंजॉय देम. जंक फूड्स लाइक चिप्स, कैंडीज, वी डेफिनेटली इंजॉय देम इमीडिएटली, बट लॉन्ग रन में हमें जो कंज्यूमर बेनिफिट है वो नहीं है. आई होप दिस टर्म इज क्लियर टू यू. प्लीजिंग प्रोडक्ट्स. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट जो टर्म है वी विल कवर अप इज सैल्यूटरी प्रोडक्ट्स। अब सैल्यूटरी वर्ड का itself मीनिंग क्या है? यूजफुल और हेल्पफुल. You have to remember this. So you can see on the graph, they are giving us high long-term consumer benefit, but they give us low immediate satisfaction. That means जो सैल्यूटरी प्रोडक्ट्स है दे आर बेनिफिशियल फॉर कंज्यूमर्स हेल्थ, सेफ्टी और ओवरऑल वेलबींग, राइट, बट मे बी कंज्यूमर जो है उन्हें इमीडिएटली इंजॉय नहीं कर सकता. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, टू रिमेंबर दिस example here can be health insurance plans. For sure immediate consumer satisfaction तो कुछ नहीं है health insurance plans के केस में, but yes long term benefit definitely है. Same goes with vaccinations के केस में low immediate consumer satisfaction, but long run में आज अगर हमने वैक्सीनेशन लगाई है तो it is going to give us long term benefit. ठीक है, this is the sense. Then fourth type of product is desirable. डिजायरेबल प्रोडक्ट्स के केस में हाई लॉन्ग रन कंज्यूमर बेनिफिट है, हाई इमीडिएट कंज्यूमर सेटिस्फैक्शन. दैट मीन्स दीज आर द आइडल प्रोडक्ट्स. दे ऑफर बोथ हाई इमीडिएट सेटिस्फैक्शन एंड हाई लॉन्ग टर्म बेनिफिट्स. क्लियर? सो इन द लॉन्ग रन भी ये बेनिफिट देते हैं एंड इमीडिएट सेटिस्फैक्शन भी प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एजुकेशनल बुक्स. अब कोई बुक है एजुकेशन के रिगार्डिंग, इमीडिएटली भी वो सेटिस्फाई कर रही है आपकी नीड को. यू हैव टू क्रैक सम कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन एंड लॉन्ग रन में भी जो भी वो आपने एजुकेशन उसमें से पढ़ा होगा वो नॉलेज आपके काम आएगी. सो एजुकेशनल बुक्स जो है दैट विल फिट ओवर हियर. Another example can be nutritious food items like fresh fruits, vegetables. Immediately भी वो आपको satisfy कर रही हैं. एंड लॉन्ग रन में भी अगर आज आप न्यूट्रिशियस हेल्दी फूड खा रहे हो, इनटेक ले रही हैं, इट इज गोइंग टू improve your health in the long run. So I hope these 4 types of products based upon societal classification are clear to you. Now coming back to the question again, we are prepared with the content. If we are prepared, we are able to do it, right? So it is a match the following question. A point में लिखा है deficient products. अब deficient products में what we have learned, long run consumer benefit that was low and high immediate satisfaction. No, we have not learned this. In case of deficient products, we have learned is long run consumer benefit that is also low and immediate satisfaction is also low. Deficient products, you have to match A point with fourth point. B, pleasing products. प्लीजिंग प्रोडक्ट्स के केस में आपने क्या किया था? हाई इमीडिएट सेटिस्फैक्शन, बिकॉज वो आपको प्लीज कर रहे हैं इमीडिएटली. शुगरी फूड्स, जंक फूड्स इमीडिएटली आपको प्लीज कर रहे हैं. देन सी पॉइंट इज सैल्यूटरी प्रोडक्ट्स. हाई लॉन्ग रन कंज्यूमर बेनिफिट डेफिनेटली, जैसे हमने अभी डिस्कस किया था. वैक्सीनेशंस, high long run consumer benefit and low immediate satisfaction. Then D point is desirable products. It has to be matched with 2 desirable products. Ideal products हैं, high long run consumer benefit and high immediate satisfaction. So answer to this question is 1. I hope this topic is clear to you and how you are going to match this question. Clear? Now all those who are preparing with me for paper 2 management and paper 2 commerce course, this is the homework for you. Chapter 2 PDF which relates to product decision, उसे अच्छे से completely एक एक topic उसका prepare करना है along with the video lectures from the app. Then chapter 2.1 is also there. It also relates to product decisions. Then chapter 2.2. Chapter 2.2 specifically deals with this topic, societal classification of products. Chapter 2.2 PDF में I have elaboratively explained this topic. Plus I have also provided you practice questions so that whenever you get any type of question like assertion, reason, statement type of question from this topic, you are 100% prepared. So your homework is attempt those practice questions related to societal classification of products from chapter 2.2 PDF from the app and send me your answers and your score. I will check that. Okay. Now, if you want to prepare more such previous year questions related to paper 2 management or paper 2 commerce, you can WhatsApp me on my number, that is 9750000491, and homework for you is for both paper 2 management and paper 2 commerce students. I have provided you a PDF of Marketing September 2024 previous year questions. तो इस PDF को आपने बहुत अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करना है. इस PDF में मैंने एक एक क्वेश्चन जो है वो प्रोवाइड किया है विद डिटेल्ड एक्सप्लेनेशंस. ऑप्शंस को अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया है so that your preparation will be complete. Plus, you have to prepare this PDF also with respect to 18th June 2024 marketing previous year questions. दोनों shifts, shift 1 and shift 2, I have provided you the PDF with detailed explanations. जहाँ पे मुझे लगता है कि टॉपिक डिफिकल्ट है तो वहाँ पे मैंने टॉपिक की एक्सप्लेनेशन को भी प्रोवाइड किया है. ऑप्शंस तो हर क्वेश्चन की एक्सप्लेनेशन डेफिनेटली प्रोवाइड की है. सो यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर ऑल दीज PDFs with respect to marketing. Plus, you know, I have also uploaded marketing previous year questions from 2013 to 2019 specifically, and you have to prepare all the PDFs related to syllabus plus video lectures provided to you. Everything you have to prepare very nicely. And specifically, I want that you must prepare this also. There is an online test series with respect to paper 1 and paper 2 management and paper 2 commerce. I will talk about this. Before that, all those who have not downloaded my app, you can download my app. The link I have provided in the description box of this video. मेरी ऐप को आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हो प्ले स्टोर से. इफ़ यू आर एन आईफोन यूज़र यू कैन ऑलवेज व्हाट्सएप मी. ठीक है, तो ऐप को डाउनलोड करके वहाँ पे एक ऑनलाइन टेस्ट सीरीज है, आई वांट ऑल दोज हु वांट रिजल्ट. आपने बहुत अच्छे से इस टेस्ट सीरीज को डेडिकेटेडली प्रिपेयर करना है. इसमें अब है क्या, पेपर 2 की अगर मैं बात करूं मैनेजमेंट के रिलेटेड, जुलाई 2018 से लेकर 2023 तक 900 प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस जो है वो फुली सॉल्व्ड हैं विद डिटेल्ड एक्सप्लेनेशन. सर ऑप्शन की भी एक्सप्लेनेशन दी गई है. सो आई वांट ऑल माय मैनेजमेंट स्टूडेंट्स, यू मस्ट प्रिपेयर दीज एक्सप्लेनेशंस वेरी नाइसली. 900 क्वेश्चंस हैं एंड जो आपके लेटेस्ट हैं 2024 के, आई एम प्रोवाइडिंग यू PDFs विद डिटेल्ड एक्सप्लेनेशंस. ठीक है, एंड फॉर पेपर 2 कॉमर्स 1800 प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस जो हैं वो फुली सॉल्व्ड हैं. इसमें सारे शिफ्ट्स कवर अप हो रहे हैं. दीज 1800 क्वेश्चंस आर सफिशिएंट फॉर योर प्रिपरेशन. तो यहाँ पे ये जुलाई 2018 से लेकर जून 2024 तक पेपर 2 कॉमर्स के सभी शिफ्ट्स के PYQs जो हैं वो फुली सॉल्व्ड हैं विद डिटेल्ड एक्सप्लेनेशंस. आई वांट यू टू प्रिपेयर ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन टू गेट दैट रिजल्ट. For any doubt, any query, अगर आपको कुछ भी नहीं पता चल रहा है regarding online test series or from where you will prepare these PDFs, you can always WhatsApp me on this number, right? And इस online test series में पेपर 1 के भी सारे शिफ्ट्स के क्वेश्चंस जो हैं वो फुली सॉल्व्ड हैं विद डिटेल्ड एक्सप्लेनेशंस फ्रॉम 2018 से लेकर 2024 तक. So you won't face any problem, right? And to know the charges, मेरे जो charges हैं courses के वो बहुत minimal हैं. Basically, I want your result. ठीक है, plus you can also prepare with me for paper 1 using my book. This is my book which is available on Amazon and Flipkart. I will provide the link of this book also in the description box of this video. For any query, any doubt, you can WhatsApp me on this number. And do revise this video lecture of marketing and prepare the PDF from the app. If you want this PDF, just message me over here or download my app and message me over there. Thank you so much for watching this video, and ज़रूर comment करना इस video के नीचे that if you want more such video lectures, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस के रिलेटेड आपको चाहिए या आपको कॉन्सेप्ट्स के ऊपर चाहिए, जिस भी टाइप के आपको वीडियोस चाहिए यूट्यूब के ऊपर, यू कैन ऑलवेज कमेंट बिलो. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. डू लाइक, कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई यूट्यूब चैनल.